Hey boos, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Let's keep the family growing. Okay, so you guys requested that I do this video, so today I have my black coffee. You can see it's black. I'll show y'all because y'all don't believe me. There's coffee in there. See? Cool. So I'm gonna get cafe aujourd'hui. I was thinking of doing something simple like cafe à pain, but I thought that was too easy. So instead, for breakfast today, we're going to have some Banan aze. Hey! If you haven't guessed, we're doing 24 hours of Haitian food today. Hope you guys buckle in and enjoy the ride. Let's go make breakfast. I don't usually peel my banan to boil them, but for this video I will. I have seen someone butcher a banan for banan peze, and it inspired me to make this video. So in order to peel a banan, it's very simple. You carefully slice under the skin, and you use your hand to peel it right off. It comes off easy peasy, as you can see. Ta-da! We're going to boil our water first, and once the water has boiled, we're going to add our banan in there. Again, as I said, I don't usually take the skin off to make banan bouillie, but we're doing it for this video. For the, I'm slicing down an onion. I'm making sure that I cut them a little small, still big enough so you can feel the little crunch. Then I'll wipe down my board. Just with the wet paper towel, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut down my hot dogs for my zoo. I'm using 4 hot dogs because I'm making this for multiple people, and I like to slice my hot dogs at a little bit of an angle, as you can see. Careful not to cut your fingers. I'm cracking my eggs in a bowl, whisking it up a little bit with my fork. Then I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm using Goya adobo. And I'm also going to be using complete seasoning. That's all I use in my eggs. Let's get up a little bit more. And then I'm going to go ahead and heat up my pan. Add a little bit of oil. And I'm going to add in my hot dogs first, so that they can cook a little bit before adding my onions. Again, I like to feel the little crunch, so I don't like to cook my onions first so that they don't get too caramelized. Once I saute my onions for a bit, I'll add in my egg. Ooh, look at the color contrast. It's so beautiful. And I'll stir it a little bit so that I can spread out my hot dogs evenly. What I like to do when I make eggs, I like to scoot it up to one side and let egg run down to the empty side of the pan. And that's it. And then you flip and voila. Okay, so we have our breakfast. Nothing fancy, but still good. Unfortunately, we don't have any zaboka, because I bet you zaboka would have made this like, that's what we're missing right now. But we don't have any on hand, and we're not about to risk it by going out there in this epidemic just for zaboka. Granted, zaboka is probably worth it. Still really good though. Right? Here you go. Say ah. So today is perfect to do this challenge because later today, one of my favorite people was having a party, and because of all the stuff going on with the virus, they can't do the party. But they already bought everything to cook for the party, so they're still going to be cooking. So I'm gonna get some free Haitian food without the hassle of having to go to a party, because you know your girl's introverted. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakfast portion of this challenge. Until next time. Okay, so we're back. It is around 1 o'clock and it's lunchtime. So I was sent out. Okay, today's literally the perfect day to do this, okay? I have with me pâté. Haitian pâté, we have a poulet and morue, chicken and fish. I'm not sure what morue translates to in English, but it's a type of fish that we have in our pâté. Pâté is a pastry. You know, sometimes it's hard for me to translate from English to Creole. And I got some kolakuan, but it's almost done. I got thirsty while waiting in line, so I drank it all. Before I go and take this to everyone, I wanted to stop and eat mine first. But first, with all the virus stuff going on, I have my soap and I have my water that I keep in the car so I can wash my hands first. So let's do that real quick. Somebody's coming. Oh, it's really foamy. Hold on. Okay. I know it's kind of funny that I'm washing my hands before I eat food that's made by somebody else, but you know, like I said, you can never wash your hands too much, so just keep on with the good habits. All right, so let's see. Okay, hold on, guys. Oh, look at the pâté. I'm not sure which one this is. There's no sign. There's no, like, usually there's a green dot, I think, if it's chicken, but I don't see anything, so let's just be surprised. Yep, this is chicken. It's pretty good. That's really good. So, what are you guys doing to stay safe out there? I noticed that there's like literally no toilet paper. Pas de papier toilette. But it's because those people are not Haitian. Like, so, lo pas de papier, so fait. Ou vient à chaussette, ou vient à feuille, ou pas so joint. Like, we don't need TP. People act like they can just wash it off. Like, that's what they have bidet for. So get a bidet or just go in the shower. That's probably better for you anyway, because TP is full of chemicals. I don't know why we're talking about that while I'm eating this food. So let's pretend I never said anything. I don't know if you guys noticed that my hair is straight right now. I actually had a haircut, so lost a lot of inches, but I'll have a video on that maybe. I'll probably have a video on that. So if you guys want to know about it, comment down below and I'll make a video. But you know what? Let's keep this and then let's try the other one. We're not gonna put this in the box. Let's put it right here. And let's try the. I think this is Moe. Let's try Moe. I hope it's Moe. I hope it's not the same. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Can you see the difference? This is definitely Moe. Ooh. I think Moe. I'm gonna have to look up what Moe is, and I'll write it down right here. But, or I'm sure one of you guys in the comments will tell me what Moe is in English. Well, I'm actually getting full already. I think all the soda I drank, but we're not gonna waste this. I'm going to put them right in my napkin. Put it aside separately from the rest, so that I can finish these later. I had too much soda, y'all. I can show you guys the pâté. Yes. So, all right. By the way, which one's your favorite? Pâté morue, pâté poulet, or pâté bœuf? Comment down below. Let me know which ones you guys like better. I'll see you guys for dinner. Hey. Okay, so it is now dinner time, and I just went and I got my food from my boo. Okay, I wanted to open it together so we can see what we got. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. All right. Oh my gosh. Wow. We have Diri Djondjon. Looks like mac and cheese, Akra, Banan Griot, I think ribs, salad Russe. Oh, Pikliz. You see? Let's zoom in. Get the money shot. Wow. She hooked your girl up, y'all. I'm about to tear some of this up. I'm gonna take some of it and put it in a separate plate so I can heat it up, and then we can go eat together. Okay, so I just heated up the food. Oh my gosh, it's like a lot, so much food. I also forgot to show you guys, so I got Lambi, which is conch. Your girl's already fat, but I got water because I don't need nothing else to tear this down with. All right, let's see. So, where do we start? I guess let's start with the Banan. We're gonna put on some Pikliz on top. Let's make sure you see this good old Banan. Griot. Good on top. I don't know if I can talk to y'all because maybe I should just watch me eat because this is busting. But okay. This is okay. Let's try the salad Russe. So salad Russe is a salad made with beets and it's like a mashed potato thing, but it's made with beets. I love salad Russe and I begged her to make it, so she made it just for me. Shout out to my boo. Wow. This mac and cheese, y'all. Looks like the mac and cheese has some kind of ham in it. Wow. It's like a burst of flavor in your mouth, yo. Oh my gosh, I know y'all want some. Here. Here you go. No? Okay. The thing with Haitian food, man, you have to make sure your hands are clean because you have to use your hands. There's so much food here. I hope my fat ass will eat all of it. The Diri Djondjon and the Diri Djondjon are mixed together, so I won't be able to tell you which one it tastes better, but I just want to take a giant bite, a mixed bite. Oh my gosh. I'm about to call her up and say I'm moving in with you. She needs to open a restaurant. I'll be there every day. Oh no, she should not open a restaurant. One, I'll lose all my money, and two, I'll be even fatter than I am now, and we can't have that. I have never had conch before. When I was younger, whenever somebody said Lambi, I thought it sounded gross to me. I didn't know what it was, and I just never wanted to try Lambi. But I know it's conch now because I'm an adult. So I think we should try it, see if I like it once and for all, or maybe it's not for me. Let's try it. Ready? Oh, now? Let's try it now. Okay. All right. a little chewy. It's not bad, but it's okay. Everything tastes better with Pikliz. Trust me, I'm Haitian. Yeah? The spiciness of the Pikliz adds a je ne sais quoi to the Lambi. I don't know if it's really, I don't think it's my thing. But everything else on this plate is my thing. I popped it in a toaster instead of the microwave, and it's perfect. The okra was probably like maybe a 5. It wasn't all that. I said okra, I meant Akra. Don't come for me for saying it wrong. I meant Akra. I kept thinking of okra instead of Akra, which is what this is Akra. But usually I love them, but this is okay. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can finish stirring up this food. Hopefully my fat ass don't eat all of it and I see something later. But you can't really have a Haitian food challenge without expecting a lot of calories. So thank you so much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other videos you would like for your girl to do. And as always, may your hair game be as strong as your Haitian food. I love you a lot too. Bye boos. Bouillon tête cabrit. Wow, that is the Haitianness. Wow.
Some tête cabrit.